Hi, I'm Sasha Segan from PC Mag, here at an ARM press event with the Xiaomi Mi 3. Now what's really interesting about this smartphone is that it has a 5-inch 1080p screen, it has a Tegra 4 processor. It's the first phone we've seen with the NVIDIA Tegra 4. It's really great looking, seems to have high-end performance, and it's only $330 unlocked. So what we have here is an iPhone or Galaxy S4 class smartphone for less than half the price. The Xiaomi Mi 3 is coming out in China, as far as I know, China only, in October. So US consumers won't get to see this. But this shows the kind of thing that the iPhone 4S and 4C are really competing with. High-class Android phones that have pretty good performance. Maybe they don't have perfect performance. This is a prototype. It's a little shaky in a lot of ways. But at less than half the price, this is a hard value proposition to beat.